Short tasks are one of the simplest methods to earn money online. It is ideal for someone seeking flexible employment that anyone can be considered for. The great thing about microtasking is that you can sign up whenever you have some free time, complete certain tasks, and get paid. 5 websites that pay you to perform short tasks. 1. Clickworker. You can make money as a clickworker by performing microtasks like typing, copy editing, proofreading, completing surveys, or testing apps. Additionally, Clickworker employs individuals to perform research, classify website data, and create brief audio and video recordings. 2. FigureEight. The hourly rate on this website often ranges from $2 to $3. You can complete more tasks as your skill level increases. Once a worker has reached the $10 payment threshold, FigureEight pays them via PayPal. Users can apply to work online from any location to become contributors. 3. Remote Tasks. Remotasks is a reputable platform that connects over 240,000 independent contractors with job opportunities including data labeling and evaluation. The website has an easy-to-use interface. Amounts paid per hour range from $1 to $3. Payouts start at $5 minimum. 4. Rewardy. Playing free video games, completing paid surveys, or installing apps can all earn you money with Rewardy. Users can redeem their points for gift cards. 5. Smart Crowd. This online marketplace for freelancing offers its members a selection of quick projects. These jobs include typing and data, doing research, translating, etc. This company pays via direct deposit, which goes directly into your bank account. Different tasks have specified rates. Payment is made after the tasks are finished. An average user can earn $50 or more each month. Follow us for more.